Okay, you know Redwood cigarettes?
Sure, the cigarette that built America.
They've rigged a jury to throw a class action lawsuit that would cover the treatment costs of thousands of emphysema sufferers. There are 4 corrupt jurors on Redwood's books. I'll send you the details. Oh, and we only have a few hours to make them disappear. The court case is tomorrow morning.
Is that all, dog? Shit, that's quite a favor.
And that's quite a house you're living in. Get this done quickly, and I'll try to throw in a sweetener as well. Now, I'd advise picking up some long-range hardware to get this job done. You'll be helping a lot of people with this, Franklin, including anyone who might have a sizable investment in, say, Debonair cigarettes.
Why you ain't pick
You
up
know
what I
how
called you
important this
earlier?
is to me.
You
Where
didn't
the
get my
hell
text?
are you?
Hey!
Yeah, why not?
You know,
The one right
I'll be doing the fuck do you want from me?
You know that's the truth.
Hey man, what's up? You gotta fill a car.
Jesus, you could have killed me!
Get down and lay down. Ain't nothing personal.
Oh, shit!
Howdy, Brad.
Call me later!
No, I am so... Someone help! That guy just stole my pizza!
can't think your shitty ass enough for this. What is that idiot doing? What are you doing, you psycho? Is he a fucking pimp? Why are you doing this?
Too damn. I ain't got much time left. My car, asshole! Hey, look out for fools like me! You gotta watch out, fool! My car!
Oh, fuck! Is this really happening?
Bless you, appreciate this shit.
The state is so fucking rough. You absolute idiot! You stupid motherfucker!
Okay, that ought to do it. Hey, L, it's done, homie. All of it.
Very good. I'll be in touch.